So here in this question, limestone rock is mainly calcium carbonate. From the limestone cycle, which is shown here. So the answer that you have given me for step 1, when calcium carbonate is heated, what will it be? It is going to form calcium oxide, CaO, correct? Calcium oxide, which is CaO. Yes, state simple is also very important, that we already have that it is going to be in solid form. Correct. Okay, so here, yeah, we get these 2 marks. Good. Okay, then which step involves a physical change? So when we are talking about the step that involves a physical change, yes, we are clear. This is step 3. Because in step 3, what do we see? That we are adding excess water, and this is the physical change. So here we are writing that this is the step 3. No chemical change, physical change. Since it is calcium hydroxide, it was solid, and here it is still calcium hydroxide, only change physically into aqueous. Then what type of reaction is step 1? Step 1 is this reaction. So in step 1, when we are talking about, we call it thermal decomposition. Correct. Okay, as we can see, thermal means heat. So by heating, it is going to be broken down. Thermal decomposition. Then suggest how step 2 could be reversed. This is step 2. You want to make it reverse. So what you can do, you can actually heat it. Because here you have added water. So when you heat it, water will be evaporated. So heating is actually going to make it reverse. Heating. Then next, write a chemical equation for step 4. This is our step 4. So what is going to happen here? Calcium hydroxide. It will react with carbon dioxide, and it is going to form calcium carbonate plus water, H2O. Okay, question is balanced. Yes, it is. Now next, explain why step 4 is a neutralization reaction. This is the step 4, right? They are asking why it is neutralization. We already know neutralization where acidic and alkaline react, right? So carbon dioxide is acidic, where it is going to react with calcium hydroxide, as we can say. Okay, calcium hydroxide, which is actually alkaline. So yeah, they both react and neutralization reaction occur. Now, what is the equation for the reaction between magnesium carbonate and dilute nitric acid? We already know whenever metal carbonate reacts with acid, it forms salt, water, and carbon dioxide, magnesium nitrate, MgNO3 2. Yes. So in order to balance it as well, then carbon dioxide and H2O. Yes. So this is here we have the solution of this question. Yes. So here in this next C part, what are they asking? They are asking, forsterite is another rock which contains a magnesium compound. A sample has the following composition by mass. This is for magnesium, this is for silicon, and this is for oxygen. Now they want us to calculate the empirical formula of this forsterite. Okay, so how are we going to do? The very first step, that since we already have our masses, so what I'm going to do, I am going to find number of moles of each of it. So how can I find number of moles for each of it? Let's put here magnesium, here it will be silicon, and here it will be oxygen. So magnesium, how much they have given me? They have given me 2.73. should be divided by its molecular mass, which is 24, atomic mass of magnesium. Okay, then silicon, they have given me 1.58, which should be divided by 28. Again, its atomic mass. And then oxygen, which is 3.60 divided by 16, which is also its atomic mass. Here, all three atomic masses have been taken. So now, when we do our calculation, we divide them. What do we get? We get 0.11375. Let me do my calculation here. Then 1.58 divided by 28, it will be 0.0564. This is for magnesium. This is for silicon. And here, what do I have for oxygen? 0.230. So I have this. Now, so this is my first step where I have calculated number of moles. Second step, I'll take my mole ratio. So how to find mole ratio? Of course, I'll take the least. Okay, that is going to be divided by each of it. So what is the least value that I see? 0.11, 0.05, 0.2. So it means the least is 0.05, right? So all values, they should be divided by this 0.0564. Yeah, this will be the same. Yeah, because same number, right? I still write. Now this one will also be 0.0564. So when we calculated magnesium, how much will it be? Let's see, do our calculation. 0.01375 divided by 0.0564. What do you get? You get 2.01, so means you can get 2. Okay, so here, yeah, same number, it is being divided, so it will be 1. And here 0.230 divided by 0.0564. So it will give you, 4.07. So means you can take 4. So means for magnesium, what you have found? You have found 2. For silicon, it is 1. So for oxygen, it is 4. So what will be our empirical formula? Mg2 Si, since it is 1, so we don't need to write 1 here. And then, next O will be what? O will be 4. Okay, yeah, it is 1, so it is very obvious. So this is the empirical formula that, they asked us to find for that.